Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make Indian takeaway and restaurant quality onion bhaji. To make 6 to 8 onion bhajis, you need 1 large onion cut into halves and sliced thinly, 150 grams of gram flour, 2 cloves of grated garlic, 1 whisked egg, 2 tablespoons of mixed powder or curry powder, 1 tablespoon of Pataks Kashmiri Paste, which is optional, half a teaspoon of salt, quarter of a teaspoon of Fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of Cumin Seeds, 1 teaspoon of Fenugreek leaves, also known as Kasoori Methi, half a teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of Chilli Powder, which is also optional. To begin, sift the flour into a mixing bowl, then stir in just enough cold water to make it the consistency of double cream. Stir in the spices to make a smooth paste. Stir in the onions so they are well coated. The mixture is sticky, so get a bowl or cup of cold water next to the hob to wet your fingers and the plate lined with kitchen paper. Heat the oil in a deep fat fryer to 180°C or fill a large pan a third full with oil and then heat. Wet your hands and pick up about a tablespoon sized amount of the mixture with your fingers. I use latex gloves as I find it doesn't stick at all that way. Drop carefully into the oil, but do not overcrowd the pan. Stir gently to stop them sticking. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, turning occasionally until crisp and golden, then drain on the paper. Please remember to like and subscribe, and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.